Today I will show how to show circular image in SwiftUI. So at first we will display the text and then we will display the image. Then we make image to circular. So here is the at first we take b stack. We can set the group. Here text in SwiftUI circular image example. We set the color, foreground color dot red. Then we will take the image component, image. We take the image, go to asset file and set it your image. Okay, our image name is Darjeeling. 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 So here is our image. So this image, it only display image with full screen and full size. We set the we create the image circular. We set the image properties, image resizable. When we set the modifier resizable, then this image will full screen and is resize. Then set the clip shape is circle. Then so our image also showing the circle. Clip shape is the make, and here is the circle modifier is make image circle, and we make the shadow or shadow radius, suppose we set the 10. Then you will see the image all side make shadow is 10. We set the overlay circle dot set the stroke. We set the stroke color dot green. Then green line width set 5. So this overlay image all side 10 stroke color is the green, and this line is line with 5. We can set spacer, set the fading. So our SwiftUI image circle is done. So at first we take the image, then set the image name. This image name get from the asset, and then image is modifier resize is set. Then set the clip shape is circle. When we use the circle, then circle is round, make round, and then shadow 10, and is make the overlap all side is image, and this line with this pipe. So this is the circular image example. If we run into simulator, then you will show the exactly same output. project is running. It take time for run the simulator. Here is our output, image circle output. Thank you so much.